going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video. Today we're going on a little boat trip to Coral Island here in Thailand, and we're spending the day there. A little snorkeling, some swimming, have some lunch on the island. That's a nice little boat trip over, and should be a good day. So we'll get on the boat, get some pictures of that on the way over, and get to Coral Island. Alright, so we have made it to Coral Island. It's pretty nice out here, actually. We're gonna have some swimming time, some snorkeling time, some lunch, and should return around 3 o'clock or so. But it's really beautiful out here. Nice blue water, nice white sand. Really gorgeous place. We got chairs and food and bar and a whole bunch of stuff to look around here. And just a gorgeous view out from the beach. Can't wait to get in that water, work on my tan a little bit, and yeah, I will catch up with you when we go snorkeling in about an hour and a half, 2 hours or so.
When your heart is racing at the speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go. No, I hold you till the sun comes in the morning light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe, I'll never let you go.
So we just finished lunch. We're stayed back there, and now we've got a few hours to just chill out, relax, swim a little bit until we head back to the main island. We did go snorkeling, but silly me, I left my the battery cover in the hotel room, so I couldn't bring the GoPro in the water with me because I didn't want to get it destroyed. But I saw some really nice colorful fish, nice coral, and yeah, we had about 45 minutes of snorkeling, which was actually pretty fun. And then we came back, had our lunch, and yeah, now we're just chilling out for a little bit, and we're gonna head back in about 2 hours or so, and I'll see you then.
When your heart is racing at the speed of light. When your heart is racing at the speed of light. When your heart is racing.
All right, so we made it back to the hostel now. It was a great day at the beach down at what was it, Coral Island. Sorry, Coral Island. We were at really great day. Not the most exciting video, but it was still a fun day out there chilling on the beach, work on my tan a little bit, and did some snorkeling. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. I will see you guys in the next one, and never stop adventuring. So bad news, I got COVID, and ended up having to move from my hostel to a ASQ, an alternative state quarantine hotel.